cause I don't give a smile. I'm off the trees, I'm high, I don't be wasting my time. I'm watching days go by, now I'm not saying goodbye. It's just a peace of mind. I got more in mind, all these demons inside. If you love me, then you're up for a hell of a ride. Keep it real and never hide. I'm the dark and you're the light. I get jealous, you got pride. That's when two sets collide.
Hey, Mfana Mgqumeni.
I mean, it's unbelievable. Okay, you got me actually. Yo, I actually call me Mfana Mgqumeni only because like of the dreadlocks or the guitar.
Namazwa nje uzohlekani. Into ehlekayo. Ufuna ngimoshe airtime yami ngufone ngutshela ukuthi ngila bheka ngapha.
Ka, you know, there's really no need for that. I mean, you already came here and yelled, so why would you call? I mean, like we're like 4 steps away from each other or something. See, 1, 2, 3, and then more steps. Like, you know, yeah.
Yeah, wena son. Ufuna mina. Ngiphinde lento engiqeda kisho.
You know what? Before we get far, let's just cut to the chase and you give me what I came here for, and you know, we go separate ways. Give me the stuff, man.
You pay deposit.
Deposit. I actually do. Oh, sorry. Quickly again. My bad. It's actually real.
Ngiyabona. Nasi-ke le stuff. Thatha lesi stuff. Usizwe-ke le stuff. Sophinde sidibanele khona la namuhla ntambama. Ngabo 6.
Thanks. I appreciate this actually.
Ungaseliwa-ke Mfana Mgqumeni. Mfana Mgqumeni. Ungaselwa lapho.
What time it is? Okay, let me go listen to this. Kuze ngisithole stuff sakaSneemane. Yazi abantala bakhala ngaso. Bathi sashaya namfuna sengishaya namhlanje. Kade abantu bakhala namhlanje ngiphethe ama notes. Funa sengishaya le stuff. Nasi le stuff sakaSneemane. Ngizwa kuthiwa sashaya impela. Namfuna sengishaya namhlanje. Sashaya mina-ke. Wonke umuntu ukhala ngaso stuff esashaya. Namhlanje ngiphethe ama notes ngifuna sengishaya ngapha. Ngisizwe impela.
Welcome to our multimedia.
Welcome.
USB mode.
Yeah. It's Pinkerton B. All I did. Check. Today I woke up having no idea. Got no plans, goals, brain clear. And ain't nobody gonna tell me what a thing is. I don't even wanna go around point fingers. So start with me, so I do what I love. Even when it's hard for me, I just does. Yeah, there's a power in showing up. What am I web for you? Why don't you throw it up or swallow it up? Do whatever you want. Surprise me, say something intelligent. That's what I thought. An empty one makes a lot of noise. Round of applause. Singwazi ukudlala nangale flow. Ungrephe bajave kube manzi in the floor. Wash your hands first before you point in my flaws. I'm kind of a man who doesn't take any loss. I either win or learn from mistakes I cause. Fuck who calls, either you boss or not. That's me when I work on my dreams, of course. I kinda feel like Jesus Christ when I'm crossed. But I use 2 bridges to double cross me. Nonke senifuna ukujelwa, kekho ungazi ukuthi le ndlela inameva. Thina sayidala sayikhanda sasebenza. Nawe thathela kibrush hamba upenda. nawe sofuna ukutshelwa kekho ungazi ukuthi le ndlela inameva thina sayidala sayikhanda sasebenza.
Asashaya le stuff. Lesikhathini ngibuyisa le mpahla sinemani ngizokhona uthola esinye stuff. Asashaya le stuff lesiphela.
Manje ngiyanibhoda bukhoma lova buka twa ngama-bullets basale bafile laza kekho ngibonile bonke balahlile yimina oshaya isipani nakhona bengigqokile ndifile ngibholile nakini bangcwabile I met her in the morning before the sun shines. Hey, you thought you gonna have a good day. Bangibiza ngesilwane kanti nix no sir. It's just you who took a wrong turn. Angithi it's good for you to backstab. Manje ngithumelela amabhasi aku-Black Sam. Westove somalahle mina ngiyavutha wena ngiyakubasela.